ಒಂಬತ್ತನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಒಂಬತ್ತನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 6 ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮೊದಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಫೆಡರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ದ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಭಾ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. One has to complete 25 years to become a member of Lok Sabha. The commander-in-chief of the three armed forces is the president. The process of electing the president is explained under Article 54 and 55 of the Constitution. The chairman of the Union Public Service Commission is appointed by President. Answer the following questions. Name the two houses of the parliament. Lower house or the Lok Sabha, upper house or the Rajya Sabha. Explain the composition of Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha or the upper house is a parliament body and is not dissolved like Lok Sabha. It consists of 250 members. 238 members are elected by the members of the state assemblies and union territories. The remaining 12 members, who are experts from various fields like literature, arts, science and social work, are nominated by the president. This house is also known as the House of Elders. The term of the members is 6 years. The vice president is the chairman and the deputy speaker is chosen from among the members. What are the qualifications needed to become a member of Lok Sabha? Should be a citizen of India. Must not be less than 25 years. Should not hold any office of profile under the government. Should not be a person of unsound mind. Should not have punished on the law. Should possess qualification as specified by the parliament from the time to time. Next we go to see the next question. Explain the election process of the post of president. The president is elected by an electoral college of elected members of both houses of parliament. All elected members of the legislative assemblies of all states, New Delhi and Pondicherry. The Supreme Court judge administers him his oath of office. His term of office is 5 years. He is eligible for re-election. When he goes against the constitution, he can be removed from office by the parliament through a motion of impeachment. And list out the powers and functions of the prime minister. Appointed and removal of ministers and allocation of portfolios. Head of government. Head of union cabinet. Power to advise to dissolve the Lok Sabha. Explain the composition of union cabinet and its responsibilities. Composition. The union cabinet is the real executive and has ministers in two hierarchies. The first one is the cabinet level and the second is the minister of state. The maximum strength of the union cabinet is 15 of the total strength of the parliament. Responsibilities. The cabinet has two kinds of responsibilities. Department is responsible for the administration of his department. He has individual responsibility for the success or failure of his department. The union cabinet has collective responsibility to the parliament with regard to the decisions and policies taken by it. Therefore, the cabinet can be in power only as long as it enjoys the trust of the parliament. When it loses the trust, it has to be removed by a non-confidence motion. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ABG ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.